Kwongerereka kwa thogora wa indo iria ibataranagia uthondeki-ini wa bataraitha hamwe na mbara gatagati ga bururi wa Russia na Ukraine ni mamwe ma maria merikanite kuhotomia uthondeki wa bataraitha.
You can see the war in Ukraine and Russia, so to bring material from outside, it's very expensive, so it's not the right time maybe for manufacture locally, but soon maybe they will do well. We are lucky because most of our materials, they're based, we mine them here, so that's why we are very competitive when it comes to price.
Murugamiriri munene wa SBL James Mukono augite wuiguano uria ukinyanirio ni ukung'ethanira na unyihu wa bataraitha uria wihoko ihinda riri.
Launching our relationship with KFA today, and we've been selling our products through the cereal boards, and because KFA and cereal board are sisters, we felt the urge to conjoin the two. Kumekuwa na upungufu wa fertilizer na kukakuwa na process kubwa sana ya wakulima kupata hiyo fertilizer. So kwa sasa fertilizer yetu inapatikana na imekuja kusaidia kupunguza huo upungufu uliokuwako.
Imwe cia kambuni kiumbe nishirikanite gukorwo na uhoti wa guthondeka makiria ma gunia milioni 3 o mwaka.
The uniqueness of our fertilizer is because our main component is silica. Silica helps with water retention and also it helps with the anti-caking of soil.
We are going to assist the SPL manufacturers to distribute.
Handu-ini hake murugamiriri munene thothaiti-ini ya arimi Priscilla Tanui ni atugiritie Wuiguanoini akiuga ni ukuguna arimi na njira nene riri kimera kia mahanda gikuhiriirie.
We are preparing for the coming season by stocking enough fertilizer for farmers, and since this is a new product, I know farmers are going to use it.
Giribotera Kameme TV, jitagwo Mumbi wa Shege.